Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make videos in the Animoto app. It is a very easy process, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the Animoto app on your home screen. Now open it. To add video, tap on to Templates button. Now you can start from the scratch and you can add one of these options to your video. If you want to make videos for Instagram, Facebook, you can choose the square one just like this. And then tap onto the camera roll to add the video. Now scroll down and find the video that you want to edit. Now select it. Then to add the music, tap onto the music button right here. Now tap on to change song. Scroll down and here you can find a lot of options to add the music on your video. Just like this. Then tap on to design option right here and from here you can change the video style, text style. And you can also add your own watermark from this option right here. Then go back and tap on to video itself like this. From here you can add the layout on your video by choosing the layout option and choose one to add to your video. Then simply tap on to apply button. You can also change the video from tapping on the media option and you can add another video just like this. Then you can also add the text to your video by tapping on to text button right here. Then add the text that you want to add. You can also use the given toolbars to change the text just like this. Then tap on to color option and you can change the color of the background just like this. Now to save the video, simply tap on to the share button right here. Then here we can find the option of download and simply tap on it. And that's it. This is how you can edit the video and make video on the Animoto app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.